Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a look at the ultimate beach essential, the best Sol Coastal Giant Beach Ball. If you're ready to supersize your fun in the sun, this is the product for you. Let's dive right in and explore what makes this beach ball stand out from the rest. First off, it's massive. At a whopping 12 feet in diameter, this beach ball is sure to turn heads and make a statement wherever you take it. But size isn't the only thing this beach ball has going for it. It's also built to last. Made from ultra-thick and durable 30mm vinyl with reinforced seams, this ball can withstand even the roughest play. And thanks to its robust airtight valve, you won't have to worry about it deflating mid-game. This beach ball stays securely inflated, ensuring hours of uninterrupted fun. Whether you're looking to have a blast in the swimming pool or engage in a thrilling game of beach volleyball, this jumbo beach ball is perfect for all your aquatic adventures. And with its effortless inflation, thanks to compatibility with electric pumps, you can start the party in no time. When the fun is over, simply deflate the beach ball and fold it up for easy storage until your next adventure. So, if you're ready to make a splash this summer, don't settle for anything less than the best Sol Coastal Giant Beach Ball. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you next time.